Salt. We'll add more if we need to at the end. Bitch! Oh, you sneezed on the chicken sandwich. A couple scoops of mayo. Mix. Add some curry. Curing.
How's it going? Chicken salad check.
It's going good. You wanna try it? Curry. Any more curry?
Stuff, curry.
And some more pepper, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge to cool for a little bit while I feed Curie. Daddy's put it in the fridge for it to cool while I feed you. Gentle, gentle. Cut up some croissants. That's good. Gotta change this. Too crispy.